guys, so today's recipe is ganji, which is famous in Ramzan time. So here we go. Onions, two long chilies. So now we chop onions, chili and tomato, and we have our boiled chicken pieces, and the main ingredient is suji here. Turn on the stove and add 1 cup of oil and let it get a little heat, and then we add our ginger garlic paste. Then we add our chopped onion and chilies. Let it cook for a while, and then we add our chopped tomatoes. One and half tablespoon of salt and 1 tablespoon of chili powder. Remember, the mixture should be salty and as well as spicy, because when we add suji, all the spice will be absorbed. So now we add our boiled chicken and let it cook for a while. Remember, the chicken is already boiled, so we don't have to cook it much. Now we add 1 cup of chicken broth, which is the water in which we have boiled the chicken. The broth consists of chicken oils and flavor, so we really don't have to add much. Add 1 large cup of water to cook the suji. Now I am adding 1 tablespoon of biryani mixture, which will give a good flavor and thickness to the soup. If you want to know what is in the biryani mixture, comment down below so that I can make a video on it. Let the soup boil for at least 5 to 10 minutes so that we can add suji in it. Now we add 1 cup of suji and let it cook for a while. Stir continuously so that there will be no lumps formation in the soup. Add 1 cup of water so that the suji will get cooked and it will be double in size. Now you can see the thick mixture of soup here. It looks delicious, right? The chicken broth and biryani mixture has given a rich flavor to it. Here's the chicken ganji, and please try it at your home and let me know the review in the comment section. Thank you and bye bye.